Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share a quick Trader Joe's haul. Found a few new things this week that I just couldn't pass up sharing with you guys. Real quick before we get started, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps let YouTube know that you guys do enjoy my content and encourages them to promote my videos just a little bit more so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, we're getting awful close to that 800 subscriber giveaways. So let's keep those numbers climbing really close, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got for this giveaway. So if you're not a member of my family yet, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. All point values today are going to be calculated for the WW Blue plan. However, if you would like additional health information or different point values, just let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you as quick as possible. All right, guys, let's get started on this fantastic Trader Joe's haul. First things first, y'all know I love my dill pickles. Well, guess what? I found some dill pickle hummus. How awesome is that? I have never tried this. It is 2 tablespoons for 1 point or 3 tablespoons for 2 points. And I'm planning on putting this on pretzels. I just thought that sounded super good. Or you can add it to vegetables too. Got Mr. Chaos some more of his plantain chips. These are the jerk style. And you can have 20 of them for 4 points. They're just a little bit too spicy for me. They do make some that aren't spicy, but he likes the spicy, so that's what we got. Found a new spice. Y'all know, again, I am obsessed with my Trader Joe's spices. This is called Barbecue One-on-One. Really excited to give this one a try. This is a seasoning blend with the basics of barbecue, a little smoky with a balance of sweet and salty. Barbecue One-on-One will add more than basic flavor to whatever you are seasoning. I want to open this up and smell it, but I've got a couple more barbecue rubs that I have to use up before I can get started on this one. So I'll be patient and wait. I saw this on Dish with Dee. This is Green Goddess salad dressing. It's 2 tablespoons for 1 point. She swears by this. She puts it on salads, and I believe she said she like marinates chicken and stuff in it too. So I've never had it. It's avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. I cannot wait to give this a try. Another find on Dish with Dee. If you guys watch my day in a life, you know I love eating protein bars for breakfast. I usually get the Quest bars. However, Dee showed these to me and I had to go give them a try. They are all 5 points and they're protein bars. They have 20 grams of protein in them. The first one is white chocolate almond. Then there is a cookies and cream. Then we've got a caramel cashew. And last but not least, a salty peanut. So I'm going to be giving these a try this week for breakfast to see what I think. I mean, how can you pass up cookies and cream for breakfast? Really, guys? Come on. Next, I picked up some more of my savory thin crackers. You can have 18 of these for 4 points. In fact, now that I think about it, these might be really good with the pickle hummus too. I might have to give that a try. Had to restock on my Jarlsberg Light Swiss cheese. This is 1 slice for 1 point. And then we've got some more of the light mozzarella cheese. This is 1 ounce for 1 point, 2 ounces for 2 points, and so on. Another Dish with Dee find that I haven't tried before are these refried black beans with jalapeno peppers. It is a 1/2 cup for 0 points, and I did not go past the 1/2 cup because I really can't imagine eating more than a 1/2 cup of refried black beans. But y'all know I love my black beans, and that sounds really good to add to my taco night menu. We got Mr. Chaos, his pot stickers again. We've got pork and chicken. These are 7 for 7 points, and then this one is 7 for 6 points. I'm not sure why there's a difference. I've never actually entered them into the calculator. I've always used the barcode. So it might just be one of those things where there's a bit of a mix-up, but I'm not sure. Then the kids wanted some more mandarin orange chicken. This is 1 cup for 9 points. I don't usually eat this. They have a mushroom chicken that I like, but the mandarin orange chicken is just a little bit 2 point heavy for me. Got my salad gear. Got a thing of butter lettuce. And then I've got some Cruciferous Crunch Collection. I've not tried this before. I think I saw this on Dish with Dee, but it might have been another YouTuber. I'm not quite sure. But it has kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage in it. And I thought I would just mix this with my butter lettuce, and that would be my salad base for the week. Then I've got some cauliflower gnocchi. Is that how you say it? Gnocchi? I'm not sure. But this is 1 cup for 4 points. Thought I'd give this a try. I've never had gnocchi before, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, but it sounds really good. Another new find, guys. I was really excited to find these. I got 2 of them. It is a wild salmon in yogurt and mint sauce with orzo pasta, spinach, and zucchini. 7 points for the entire meal. It is a frozen meal. Oh, I'm hoping these are really good and just a quick option for lunch or dinner. And then lastly, as far as food items go, I don't know what Steve's deal is, but he saw these and he had to try them. It's called Fresh Rambutan, sweet and juicy. He wanted to get these and try them out, so I will probably try them too. I've never had them before. If you guys tried these before, let me know down in the comments what you thought. I'm not even really sure how you eat them, but I'm sure he'll look it up and have them ready to go in no time. And then last but not least, I did get 1 body care product. This is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Body Wash. It says invigorate with peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus botanicals. The Tea Tree Tingle had me intrigued. They've also got a shampoo and a conditioner, but I've got so many different shampoos and conditioners I need to use up that there was no point in me buying more. So I got this. We'll see what I think of it. It's got a good smell. The tea tree oil smell is not too strong. I'm one of the people though that love the smell of tea tree oil, so that wouldn't have upset me, but it's really light in this, just in case you're interested. So no point value on that because I don't plan on eating it. Go figure. And that, my friends, is everything that I got at Trader Joe's this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got some new weight loss friendly ideas. Guys, real quick, again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up and subscribe thing, I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.